Hello, thanks for watching. Edward here. So, are you a network marketer looking for successful strategies and learning tips and tricks on how to, grow your network marketing business? Because, I've been in this space for quite some time and a lot of you know my story. And, I'm putting together a powerful plan, a plan in place that I know that, pretty much anyone could potentially duplicate. I've always been about putting together done for you content, marketing tools, and easy to follow step-by-step systems where you fill in the blanks, click save, and then boom, it's all hey presto, set up and pretty much forget. But guys, I've done a lot of that, and although a lot of that really works, and I've proven that that works, I've really dived headfirst into a lot of training recently. And, what I love about what I've done in the past, I take the best parts, and the stuff that I'm learning right now, I'm taking the best parts of that and I'm combining something really powerful here that I'm ready to get, you guys set up and started. And, where I've struggled in trying to duplicate, I've been able to build up, my own team. I've been able to bring in signups, and people often ask me, how do you do that? How do you get to the top of the leaderboards in different companies? How are you able to generate the commissions you're creating? And I know, having asked a lot of people the questions, because I have built up a team, I do get to talk to a lot of people. I know their pain points. I know where they're struggling. People are looking for leads, but more importantly, they're looking for quality leads. So that they can really talk to people that are going to be hungry with specifically what they're, and how they're promoting. All right. Rather than talking to whole lot of people that probably aren't going to be interested in anyway and end up getting discouraged and thoroughly just frustrated because they can't, get anyone to, take action in their team. So I put together a system that can sort of sift out all those people and really allow you to work with key people. So I'm really committed to this, and I'm going to be delivering on my promise. So guys, I'm excited to welcome you into my Facebook group. All right, if you want to get access to this and get access to my done for you rebrandable PDF that I've created, literally in the last few days, I've set this whole thing up, and I want to share it with you. So you're one of the first people to get access to this. All right, nothing like I've created before. It's got my best parts that have worked in the past, leaving out the parts that I felt that didn't work. I've learned from my errors, and I've kept the things that have worked, and I'm putting together and implementing a lot of new stuff. So get on board. I'd love to work with you. I've struggled since ever since I got started with this, but in 2015 was really my big aha moment. A lot of you know this story, but I just want to share it because I know there are a lot of new people coming onto my channel, and that's where it all kind of started from. And it's really by following a lot of these strategies, being really allowing me to be able to duplicate myself, and particularly the stuff that works, by laying it out into a few simple step-by-step instructions that can be rebranded. Okay, and rebrandable content that you can just fill in the blanks, click save, and you get access to the done for you content. It's as simple as that, because systems can duplicate. People can't always duplicate, because you get all different kinds of people coming from different backgrounds. But by following a step-by-step system, provable system, okay, or I should say proven system. All right, guys, I've done this. I'm dyslexic, and I struggle with, being shy and an introvert. I struggle with ADHD. I've lived most of my adult life in Japan, surrounded by people who don't even really speak my native language, but still being able to grow a network marketing business, where probably, 10, 20 years ago, most people would have prejudged me as not really being the type to be able to do something like this. But back then, it almost kind of looked like I was breaking all the rules. But what I was doing, it was kind of working. So I ran with it. I stayed with it, and it not only worked for me, it was starting to work for a lot of people. All right. So I'd love to welcome you aboard, and get on the link below. Get into my group. You'll be able to have access to my done for you stuff, my content, my rebrandable PDF and tools. Okay, but you need to get into my group first. We'll welcome you in. And please answer those questions on your way in, because when you access the group, you're going to be able to answer those questions so that I can support you on this journey. And the purpose of this group is so I can get with you on a one-on-one basis. All right, because one of the questions that you'll ask is, are you ready to join a thriving team? And if you answer yes, and you really are, serious about jumping on board with us, all right, then I think we can work with you. All right. So this particular stuff is not going to be for everyone necessarily, but it's going to be for people who are ready to, follow simple instructions and get on board and partner up with us. Okay. So I look forward to working with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye for now.